All then make sure to update and post ni Alice sa kanyang
I
social
have
media
something
account
exciting to share with
for
you guys.
new endorsement niya ng video.
Okay. I've been keeping this a secret for a while, but now I'm ready to share it with you. I have found my ideal partner. Simple lang siya. Laging nandyan at laging maaasahan. Gusto niyo ba siya makilala? Watch this.
You know.
Then who's your ideal partner?
Ang ideal partner ko yung simple lang. I can transact with my account online easily or book branch visits online. And when I'm at the branch, I can process my transactions faster via SAM digitally and meet with the people I trust. They always find ways for me. That's why BDO is the one for me. See you at the branch.
You know, video, we find ways. Kasi ito lang yung show ni Alice na Calgary, Canada. Ayan, yung mga fans ni Alice. Nagagalawan si Aaron dyan. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update on with further action vlog. Bye guys, team for watch.